Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause part of building trust from the distance. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. They keep falling apart. Listen, part of building trust from the distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to leave it. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. They keep falling apart.
And you guys, I found me some new and approved makeup. Out with the old and in with the new. Like, you guys, I used to have to mix 2 foundations to get my color. And now, y'all, I only use 1 foundation color. Only one of them. I only use 1 foundation color and it matched perfect. This Maybelline Fit Me foundation is the fucking bomb because I only use this 1 foundation to get my face to get my face color. I didn't have to mix nothing or nothing. Like, I only use 1. I only had to use this 1. You know how much money and time that I just saved with only using 1 foundation? This is the color 338. It is spicy brown. Okay, now I am a little, like, I recommend you to buy Maybelline foundation and Maybelline Fit Me foundation and then concealer. This look would be really cute for like a bridal look or like a baby shower. What else? just a soft glam. Like if you're taking like senior pictures or like any pictures like that, like your senior pictures, just a soft glam look. You know, when you don't want too much going on, you just want something soft. This is a pretty look for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like and comment on this video. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell so you can know when I upload new videos.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension